issues in canter do you have? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, think of the half passes beginning with the shoulder in, because that's you've got to get the shoulders leading. Beginning with the shoulder in, and then keep him in that bent shoulder in shape, and then put your left leg back. Now, if he goes faster, immediately halt. Yeah, because if he has an associated speeding up, do something big. Yeah, but you're aware, you know how De Carpentry and von Holtzing, who put the dressage tests together in the beginning, they were the ones who really cemented the idea. It was really De Carpentry who said that a half pass must begin with shoulder in, because this is the way you can do range without legs and legs without reins. In other words, you put the shoulders are in first and then he goes sideways. If you just do sideways, the whole body will be moving only from the leg edge. You've got to get the shoulders going first with the shoulder in, and then you push them sideways. Good. Well, that one didn't look too wild. Just think, I'm hoping everyone's already got this idea, and if not, I hope you do, is that if the horse, see the tempo, cruise control is the critical part, he stays in his speed. If he's quickening, that's about your stop button, and it's not about your seat, it's about your rein aids first, and your seat follows it. The seat can only be as good as the rein aid itself anyway, ultimately, because it will deteriorate if the rein aid's poor. So just think, okay, if he's accelerating too much, do a downward transition to maybe trot if it's not so bad. But if it's bad, the canter is running, wake up, and whoa, give, good boy. And then it makes him back off a bit more. And through these transitions, like canter, hold, we'll do it. Maybe we've got a few moments, just do that. Do canter, and then do halt from canter after 3 strides. And you'll get a much better canter after that. Good. 1, 2, 3. Woo. And give. Good. And canter again. You'll find this will help you upward transition too. You'll get canter from there soon. Go canter. Good boy. 2. Halt. Good boy. And again. Canter. Here we go. And halt. As I said, you'll find the upward transition way better after this too. Even though we didn't mean to train it, it just gets better. Woo. Yeah, and he'll start to anticipate it himself, you see. So then a half halt in the canter will work, which probably wouldn't have worked earlier when you were saying it's tense. The half halt never works when the horse is tense. Now try your half pass again. And if you feel it a little bit quick, don't be afraid to do a transition down. I generally say to people, if the transition is really bad and persistent, do a full down 2 gates. If it's not so bad, down 1 gate. And if it's only a little bit, do a half halt. Remember, that's just him running away. That's your stop button, so do woo. That's it. And go again. So you might have to do a lot of these downward transitions, but they really will make a difference. change the way he thinks about running